They all got together. Yeah. And that, I mean, this is publicly available. I think this is a really important point to make. The idea that forced displacement of this kind constitutes not only an act of genocide itself, but also evidence of genocide in the broader context of the assault on Gaza. That interpretation of the law of genocide is exactly the interpretation that was put forth 2 years ago by a set of interveners in the Gambia's genocide case against Myanmar at the ICJ. And who were those states? Canada, Denmark, France, Germany, the Netherlands, and the UK, right? They all got together. Yeah, and that, I mean, this is publicly available. They all got together to intervene to say there are circumstances where forced displacement could be such that it becomes evident that it will or is calculated to bring about the death and physical destruction of members of the group, even if such displacement did not bring about the death of adults. And so, these states have taken very strident positions on the law of genocide, which, if they were applied to the facts before us in the case of Gaza, would, without really any real question in terms of the application of the law, lead to the conclusion of genocide already, but certainly that any kind of additional massive forced displacement would be an act of genocide, again, as well as evidence of the specific genocidal intent.
So the US's own allies just have already accepted, because of their intervention in the Myanmar case, that what Donald Trump is actually discussing is a genocidal act. That's quite
yes,
very important piece of information, actually.